When you are important to another person, that person will always find a way to make time for you. Always busy every time. You have to know that that person is not interested on you. Move on with your life because you are focusing with a person who is not interested. You are always asking your girlfriend when I'm going to see you to have a quality time. That person always busy, and that busy is not much serious, because sometimes she can ask you money. You can ask yourself, why my girlfriend always busy but she doesn't have money at end of the month? So you have to ask yourself, move on with your life and leave those people who doesn't have time for you, because you are begging for time for your girlfriend that I can have time for you. She says no, and you have to wait until when? Move on with your life, move on with another person. It's better than people guys, you know that a person who is in love with you can find a way, even she is busy or what, but can find a way to have time for you. But that person doesn't have time for you or what. Even you are tired, you know that when you are in love with a person, even you are tired or what, you can find something or a short time to have time with your partner. But when you saw that person doesn't have time for you, move on with your life, because you are wasting your time with people who is not interested with you.